How to use Dazz Pinterest camera app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can use your Dazz Pinterest camera app on your device. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store on your mobile phone, and after that you will see the Dazz Cam here and go for install. It will take a minute to install this on your device. You can open it on your device. So here you can see that you have opened up your here you can see that you have to select your language here. Here you can see that the main feature of Dazz retro camera and go for next. So here you can go on the setting. You can see for the general to restore, system notification, camera sound and image quality, medium, high, low, and save to album automatically. After that you have to go for your camera. If you want to click a picture of anything, go and click a picture of this. So here you can enhance your photo from this. Go back. After that, on the editor option you can edit your photo. On the collage option you can make a collage of photo here. So that's the process how to use Dazz Cam in your mobile device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.